Hi friends, in this video we are going to continue with the previous video looping statement, and it comes under the topic control flow in Java, control statements in Java, and this is for the course loops using Java. And now we are going into loop statements, and we can divide it into three types: for loop, while loop and do while loop, and along with it for each loop. So we are going to see an syntax for loop. So for is a keyword, then we have to do initialization, then condition have to be done. If this is true, it will execute the statement which is inside the block. If it is executed, then it will go with the increment part or decrement part as per the requirement for the program. So this is a flow diagram. So initially we will start with the program. Initialization will be done, and it will check for the condition. If this condition is true, it will execute the statements, and again increment will be done, then again condition will be checked. This will keeps on looping until it gets condition get false. So once the condition get false, it will come out of the loop. This is the flow diagram for loop. Now we will see an example program for this. So here it is a sum of natural numbers. This is a program, simple program. So this is class and file name, main program. So sum is equal to 0. As like this, we are assigning some variable with the value 0. Then for loop is used. So this is for loop, and variable I, it is of type int, and here initialization is done with 1. And the condition is checking here until it gets less than equal to 10. It will be execute this particular statement, and after executing the statement, increment process will be done. Again condition will be checked, and it will keeps on looping until this condition gets false. So now the value here sum is 0 plus I value is 1. So 0 plus 1, now the value is 1. Now it is stored into sum. So now sum value is 1. Again increment will be done. Now j value is 2. It will check for the condition. J is less than 10. It is true. Then it will come. Now sum value is 1 plus 2. Now value is sum value is 1 plus 2, 3. So now sum value is 3. Again j value get incremented. It will check for the condition, and now sum value is 3. J value is 3. It is added. Now it is stored into sum value. So this keep on executes with this loop until this condition gets false. So once this condition gets false, whatever the value present in this particular variable sum, that will be printed in this statement. So overall the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is value will be printed. If we want to print one by one, so here inside this particular loop, we can mention the printf statement here. So once we will done like this, we will get the number of natural numbers one by one. For this program, overall number will be displayed. So towards the output for this particular program is sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So now we will go with the next loop for each loop. So for this syntax is for data type, then variable name, you have colon, then array name or collection of an array or name. So this is what syntax. If it is true, this particular statement will get executed. For this program is inside class, main function, variable name. Inside this directly values are declared with array collection or collections of names. So here we have input like Java, C, C++, Python and JavaScript. So now we are printing the content of an array one by one. So for this string name, colon and names. So this name will carry out here. So what happens here is it will print the first name, next second name, next third name, next fourth name, until this particular condition is get over. It will keeps on printing the all the statements which is in the for loop. So output for this particular program is Java, C, C++, Python and its script JavaScript. Why it is mentioned by line means in printf statement /n was used. So it is printed in next lines. So next program is Java while loop. Next we will summarize with the difference between for loop and for each loop. This is what the difference between each for loops. Now in next video we will see about while and do while loop. Thank you.